Hey guys, it's the Cheeseman. I'm back at you with another short story from Junji Ito's collection, Smashed. This one is called Death Row Doorbell. I have to warn you, it's dark. I found this one particularly depressing. Sort of deals with the cycle of revenge. It does contain a depiction of suicide. So watch at your own peril. But I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching and subscribing. I love you all.
Hello, Koa residents. Excuse the late hour. My name is Furuhashi. I'd very much like to apologize to your family. I could stop by any time. Don't! You don't have to come over. I'll visit. I'll come now. Brother, it's him. He's coming again. Noriko, we can't let him in the house. Noriko, you locked the door, right? Everything's locked. He's definitely not getting in this time. You? How did you? Please, forgive me. I beg you. Please. I'm on my hands and knees. Get out! Please, forgive me. From the bottom of my heart. I regret it from the bottom of my heart. Please. Please. I'm scared. It's okay, Noriko. It's a vision. We're just seeing a vision. I hate this. Mom? Mom, help. I'm so scared. One day last summer, a gang mercilessly destroyed our happy family life. It was supposed to be a fun day out on a family drive. Honey? I almost throw up just remembering what happened after that. Someone help! I managed to get away somehow and ran to a nearby house for help. They brutally stole the lives of my father and little brother and left my mother and older brother critically injured. My mother's injuries were especially serious. She still hasn't regained consciousness. Those monsters were soon arrested, but none of them showed even a hint of remorse at the trial. The ringleader, a 20-year-old man, even had a faint smile on his face. That bastard. I'll kill him. At the first trial, the leader was given the death sentence. His lawyer immediately appealed to a higher court. That very ringleader, Furuhashi, started sending us letters regularly after that. All of them spelled out his apologies at length. Dear Koa family, I apologize for the sudden deaths of your relatives. I really am sorry. I don't know how I could fix it. I wanted tell you I apologize from the bottom of my heart. I can't stand this. He's just trying to pretend he's sorry so he can avoid the death penalty. Soon, the letters were coming almost every day. They always said he wanted us to forgive him and that he wanted to apologize in person, over and over. Hello? Is this X-Jail? I'm pretty sure I asked you the other day to stop these letters. When exactly are you going to do that? The letters stopped coming after that. But the last letter he sent before the prison officials stepped in said, I want to apologize in person. I'll come to you. What day is good for you? I'll call you soon. Things like that. You've got to be kidding me. However, hello? Koa residents? Hello?
Hello. My name is Furuhashi.
What?
I'd love to apologize in person. When is a good day for you?
Who is this? Quit prank calling us.
I'd like to apologize from the bottom of my heart. May I come over now?
Stop it! What's wrong, Noriko? It's him. It's that man. What? That's ridiculous. He's in jail. There's no way he'd be calling us. But it was his voice. He said he's coming to apologize now. What? It can't be. It's him. He's here. Noriko, call 911. Hurry. But by the time the police rushed over, Furuhashi was already gone. He was definitely here. But we confirmed that he's still in jail. Are you sure it wasn't just someone who looked like him? That's not possible. Please check with the jail again. But Furuhashi was indeed still in jail. What is going on? So then who on earth? The man came the next night, and again the night after that.
Koa family, please forgive me. I beg you.
What the hell is he? Or maybe he has a twin? He's playing this sneaky trick to try and save his brother. Brother, look.
Koa family, please forgive me.
You? How did you get in here?
Please. Please.
He's gone. He came inside and disappeared every night after that. Mom, I'm scared. Why is this happening to us? Noriko, it might be a vision created by Furuhashi. He's so afraid of the death penalty that he's sending a part of himself to us. His final struggle. Fine then. If we're up against a phantom, there's nothing to be afraid of. He can keep coming until I'm done with him. I'm looking forward to tomorrow night. You want to be forgiven that badly?
Please, forgive me. I beg you.
That's so. Then stay still like that.
Forgive me. Please forgive me.
That was the first of many nights where I thought I would lose my mind. Furuhashi rang the doorbell every night, and my brother would beat him down like a man possessed. Each time, Furuhashi would evaporate. Then, the next night, he would ring the doorbell as though nothing had happened.
Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Please, let it go already. Shut up! I forgive you already. I forgive you, so don't ever come back again. Stay away from us. Forgive him? No matter how sorry he is, how could we ever forgive him, given what he's done? I'll smash him to pieces forever. That's all. But if you keep doing this, we'll only suffer. Whatever. Just shut up. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. For a few days after that, my brother continued to beat down the Phantom Man, and then he killed himself. Why? Why is this happening to us? Why?
Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
I told you I forgive you, didn't I? I forgive you, so stay away from us forever. Don't show yourself here again.
I will visit you until I receive your sincere forgiveness. Please, somehow, from the bottom of your heart, please, I beg you, forgive me.
Stay away from me. The painfully long trial finally ended, but even after the man's death penalty was certain, my own hell continued. There was nothing else left for me to do. But I was suddenly anxious. I was up against the ghost of a man who was still alive. But what would happen when he was put to death? After he died? Would he come to me as an actual ghost then? If that happened, The hellish days continued for a long time. My mother passed away early on. One day, I learned from the newspaper that his execution had been carried out. He was finally dead. I waited without moving for night to come. I knew it. He came again tonight. I just knew he would keep coming until I died. But there was no sign of anyone. He never showed up again.